land is being expropriated, and where appropriate, and we don't have to pay, particularly because it's for a public good. That is happening. And as we speak today, our only challenge is that we need to move faster. And I'm happy to report that we're beginning to see a much faster movement. We are pushing much faster to expropriate land.
Waar het julle dit? Die adjunkt-president bevestig die ANC bly toegewy tot onteiening sonder vergoeding van grond. Diegene wat aanhou verskonings maak vir die ANC kan nou maar ophou met die rookskerms. AfriForum sal aanhou veg teen hierdie bedreiging vir privaat eiendomsreg en ons sal nie net verseker die wêreld weet daarvan nie. Volgende jaar verskyn ons in die hof om ook die onteieningswet te beveg. Jy kan saam met ons veg deur www.onteiening.co.za te besoek.
But yes, our people need land and we will provide them with land. That's much we are committed to. We will not deviate from that.